Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica, give me here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, today we're with Nigy boy. Yeah, man. Nigy himself, blind boy, with Hush Hush. Yes, official music video upon the recovery Riddim. Pick up myself. Let's jump in and see the walk. Let's go. Nigy boy, Hush Hush, let's go.
Me love life in a crisis, yeah. Me have a main thing and a side piece. To all the side I move the me and my turn alive me. Jah know you are gonna get me in a problem. Lately you been doing too much, causing me to lose my touch. Nobody can know we linking up. This a fi we business, keep it private. Bigger.
Yo, Nigy boy final lane. Nigy boy stick in him lane. Nigy boy final lane. Nigy boy stay in him lane. Him not come out of him lane. Me not wrong you, bro. Keep driving it in your lane, my fam. Keep driving in your lane.
Me love life in
For the girl them.
yeah. Me have a main thing and a side piece. To all
Man,
the
them
side
love.
I move the me and my turn.
Man say him love life in a crisis. Him love problem. Him love.
Me love life in a crisis, yeah. Me have a main thing and a side piece. To all the side I move the me and my turn alive me. Jah know you.
To the side I move, the me and my don't like me. Blood clot. Girl problem alone. Girl problem are the only problem Nigy boy have.
Like me, Jah know you are gonna get me in a problem. Lately you been doing too much, causing me to lose my touch. Nobody can know we linking up. This a fi we business, keep it private. Me girl I can't find out. If she know me have a wife, I'll bout to fi leave the house and go hide her out.
Man say if she knows that me have wife all bout, me have to go leave the house and go hide her road. Yeah, cut cash, I go cut you up.
House and go hide her
road.
out. Baby, it's evident you a play if it keeps like you want move out of the matey seat. Live far, but she still.
Look like the side chick want take over everything what go on in this house here to blood clot. The side chick want take over everything what go on Nigy boy I say.
Me love life
Yeah.
in a crisis, yeah.
She want
Me
Nigy
have
for
a
herself.
thing and a side piece. To all the side I move the me and my turn alive me. Jah know you are gonna get me in a problem. Lately you been doing too much, causing me to lose my touch. Nobody can know we linking up. This a fi we business, keep it private. Me girl I can't find out. If she know me have a wife, I'll bout to fi leave the house and go hide her out.
Hide her out, alright.
It's evident you a play if it keeps like you want move out of the matey seat. Live far, but she still find ways to meet. Only attention she a pay if it cheat.
Remember, you know, remember say cartel don't tell you know when girl want body if you work, stop work, if you study. No matter where she do, she go left where she do, just we come meet you. Even though she live far, she go come meet you. So that Nigy boy is right. So she live far, but she still find a way to meet up. Yeah.
Still find ways to meet. Only attention she a pay if it cheat. And about me a give her just a daily treat. She already come for the cane and gain relief.
And a bun me a gear a daily treat. Just come for the.
Live far, but she still find ways to meet. Only attention she a pay if it cheat. And about me a give her just a daily treat. She already come for the cane and gain relief. If me girl find out, say me share.
She already come for the cane and gain relief. She hurry up and come for the cane and gain relief. Yeah, when she get it, her stress release. Yeah, she sit up on cloud 9.
Pretty sweet, she not brush it off like baby teeth. That's why me why we keep it hush hush. Me never think we would have fall in love. Cool it down like a Christmas cup. Our we sex copy it must done.
Watch it dance, yo.
Get me in a problem. Lately you been doing too much.
Ain't no for the new dance.
Me to lose my touch. Nobody can know we linking up. This a fi we business, keep it private. Me girl I can't find out. If she know me have a wife, I'll bout to fi leave the house and go hide her out. I no blame game, but you give me a reason to cheat. You do things me girl wouldn't dream. Always willing to go the extreme. Swag for me, you hardly wet fame. No blindfold fi shoot a sex scene. Me so skill, you call me Jet Li. Have the stamina, the strength fee. Carry what
Man say him so scared she call him Jet Li to blood clot.
Why you doing that, bro?
Yo, Nigy boy have some bumper class style about him. See you. Pick up yourself, Nigy. Pick up yourself. Yeah, pick up my blood class self.
Me so skill, you call me Jet Li. Have the stamina, the strength fee. Carry what you with this get Lee. That's why me why we keep it hush hush. Me never think we would have fall in love. Cool it down like a Christmas cup. Our we sex copy it must done. Jah know you a go get me in a problem. Lately you been doing too much, causing me to lose my touch. Nobody can know we linking up. This a fi we business, keep it private. The girl I can't find out. If she know me have a wife all but I fi leave the house and go hide her out. It's evident you a play if it keeps like you want move out of the main seat. Live far but she still find ways to meet. Only attention she fi if it cheat.
Yo, Nigy, think of your bumbo class, bro. As usual, bro. Nigy just know how to keep consistent, stay relevant, and find them song, bro. Nigy boy saying I'm fucking lean, and him not step out tight. Him not step out tight. Yeah, man. Blind boy, big up yourself, yeah, man. Yeah, lead, brother. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Proud of you, my G. Proud of you. Proud of you. Russian, big up yourself, too. Even though you're black nearly, all of my video them Russian, but big up yourself, see me. Yeah, recover Riddim. I don't want to think about what I know in the comment section. And Nigy, like, one time them juggling a job, you know said Nigy boy song is a girl song and it's creative. And some hot girl all is in them video them. So yeah, big up yourself, Nigy. Even though I can't see them. But yeah, big up. I'm out.